Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how can you create product feed in your Shopify store using our app that is Easy Feed for Google Shopping. This process is quite straightforward. I have walked through each and every step that is needed here. So here I am on my app. Let's move to the feed. Click on view. So here I am on my dashboard. Here you can see different statuses are appear over here. Here are all products. There are 280 products. Out of 280, there are 278 products that are approved and 2 products are disapproved. These products are disapproved due to missing identifiers. And here is the approved products. You can see these products have missing values. And in pending, we have no product, as we know that if we send the products, those products will be in the pending. After that, they will move to the approve or disapprove status. So here we have to move to all products. Here let me search any product by name. I have to write hoops. All the products containing hoops will be appear over there like this. So we can search the product by name as well. Here you can see the export option. Your 280 products will be exported, or we can select the product by our own. I have selected 48 products. Let's export it. Your 48 products will be exported, or we can also customize the fields as well. Here you can see. So this is how you can export the products, and you can also watch the tutorial. Now the products you have exported and made changes, you can also import that through import product option. And next here is the filter. You can add the filter. Let me make any change in my product. Click on the product. Here I have to add the custom label. Save changes. Now click on filter, add filter, write custom label 0 and it will automatically now click on apply. So our product will be filtered like this. This is how you can use filters. Next we can see the columns. These are the columns we have already settled in the feed. So you can also add more columns of Google product category, age, gender, condition, brand, product type, promotion ID, whatever column you want to add, you can add that. And here you can see our custom label is also there. So this is how you can add the columns. We have sort by score. If you want to sort any product by score, you simply have to write those score. I want to sort any product between 65 to 50, so I will write 55 in minimum score and 65 in maximum. All the products between 55 to 60 will be appear over here like this in the descending order. So this is how you can sort the products by score. Next we have add new products. If you have used our billing and added 50 products out of 60, after that you have to purchase the plan. You have to upgrade your plan for adding more products. So you simply have to select the products and you will be able to add the product to your feed. This is how you can add products. Next you can see exclude product option. You can exclude any product. Let's suppose I have selected a product and I want to exclude it. I will click on exclude and apply. This product will be in the excluded status, and out of 280 there will be 279 products. Here you can see in excluded there is one product, and I can also include it back by clicking on include, and you can see in all products there are 279 products. So you can also sync from Shopify. Then here you can see the sync from Shopify option. This is basically related to auto and manual settings. We will cover it later on. If you have you can also sync meta fields. If you have created, click on activate. You can select your meta field. I haven't created but you have to select it according to your category. Make sure you must fulfill all the Google requirements. And still, if you are facing any issue, you can talk to our customer care representative. He will guide you. So this is how you can sync from Shopify. Next, we have sync from Google. Our app will itself sync the data from Shopify to Google seamlessly whenever changes are applied. But if you want to do it by yourself, click apply. This option is available once in 24 hours. So if I click on apply, you will see statuses are being synced. And if I again click on apply, you will see the status will show you have already synced once in 24 hours. So this is how you can sync from Google. Next, we have you can also delete any product by simply selecting the product and click on delete. Here you can see you can edit the product anytime. You can optimize its title. You can write anything in the description. Here is the product type. We have added number of features in our app. In agency owner, we were facing multiple issues, so we have created our own app with advanced features. So now it is quite convenient for us and you to make an editing in the product while using our app. So next we can see missing color values. We can settle this issue either by two methods. First is we can individually select the product and write the color we want to add over here. As its color is missing in our Shopify store, let me show you in the store. View product. Here you can see the color is missing. The second option is we can go with the bulk edit by adding the color value for multiple products. We can simply click on the color category, write the color and click on apply. We have selected 50 products, so product being updated status appears. Now let's move to our merchant center account. Here click on diagnostics. Here you can see 212 products are missing color value. We have to reload this page, and here you can see error from merchant center has been resolved. And if we move to other products, you can see there are still error. There are different errors, and we will discuss these errors in our upcoming video of import and export. And here we have to reload this page. Out of 212, there are 166 products having missing color value. So we can see our issue of missing color has somehow resolved. And now let's have a look on the bulk edit. Here you can see there are a number of options in bulk edits: age group, condition, custom label, and product type, promotion ID. And you can also add the shipping. Here you can see it is basically related to the brand owner. And you can also add the shipping height, shipping width, and you can also add the bundle. You can also select either it is in bundle or not, or mini energy efficiency class. You can also select the category of this. It is related to electricity, and unit price measure, text category, or you can select the custom label. You have to write by your own, and you have to select the gender by default. Next we can see you can also select the sale price effective date. If there is a sale ongoing on your product, you can select its starting date, and you can write the ending date as well, like this. And you can also see the definition. Here's the brief description. So this is how you can edit your data in bulk editing, and this is all about our app. I hope you have got the idea how to set up your product feed using easy feed for Google Shopping. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.